Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Iman here. So today we're going to be talking about my top 5 moisturizers for oily skin. I've tried all these moisturizers over the past year or so, and some even longer than that. So I wanted to let you know my insight and some products that I've been loving. I also want to add that these products are more in the mid-range, so you can find them at Sephora. Let me know if you would like to see an affordable version of this. I don't think I have top 5 in that category, but I do have some that I really like, and if you want me to share, I definitely will do that. If this is your first time watching Lip Beat, welcome, and if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and put that bell on for notifications. Join the Lip Beat family, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I compiled this list of my top 5. I'm gonna be talking about them in no particular order. I really don't have a fave, to be honest. Like, out of the 5, I love them all for different reasons, so I'm gonna get into that. There will also be one on here that you might be like, what, oily skin? But it worked for me, and perhaps it might work for you, and it is a really great value. So the first one I want to start with is the Quarterly Vino Pure Skin Perfecting Mattifying Fluid. So I have a little travel size. Now the 1.3 ounce retails for $39 on Sephora's website, but they also have a lot of gift sets and travel kits if you want to try it. The Vino Pure line is my favorite from Quarterly because it's all for oily skin. A lot of the products also have salicylic acid in there. I love this one for makeup prep. So if I know I want to really have the longevity of my makeup, I definitely use this because it is mattifying. Now, though it's mattifying, it doesn't really like dry out your skin. So that's the texture of it right there, right? And it's very, very lightweight. Look at that. It almost like blends out like a gel. It gives you that cooling sensation as well. There is a mild citrusy smell that it gives, which I like. So this one does have fragrance in it. So if fragrance is not your thing, then I would say, pass up on this one. But your skin feels super cool, and then like it has a little bit of a glow, but when it dries down, it's a bit sticky to touch at first, but when it dries down, y'all, it's amazing. I don't have on any moisturizer right now. I think I'm gonna try on the one that I think you would be more shocked about. I think I'm gonna put that one on so you can see how it looks on my skin. This Quarterly is like one of my favorite brands, and this is a tried and true product. I've been using this for about 3 years, and it hasn't like steered me wrong. There is a whole set that goes along with it, and I have it here except the toner. So there is a cleanser that goes with it, a serum, and also a toner. So you have a 4-step system that you could use, and that's gonna balance your oil, help you with acne, and also blurring your pores. So I definitely love that one. The next one that I'm going to talk about is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Gel Moisturizer. So I got a little sample of this from Sephora, and I absolutely love it. It's green in color, so it has some dye in there. And this is a gel, true gel, but it is so bouncy. It gives kind of like a oil-like consistency. It doesn't blend out like the Quarterly does. The Quarterly blends out more like water-based. This blends out more like oil-based. But oh my gosh, your skin feels so good after you put this on. Super hydrated. Like, you can feel the hydration, but it doesn't make you greasy. So I could really appreciate that. Look at that beautiful glow that it gives, and then it dries down into like this beautiful velvet texture on your skin. This one also has fragrance in it, so sorry if you're sensitive to fragrance, you might want to stay away from this one. This retails for $38 for 1.7 ounces, and I feel like it's also oil free. Even though it's given that like oil feel, it's actually oil free. So they did something oil free and silicone free. Super lightweight and long lasting hydration. Definitely long lasting hydration. This one is like a fave. I took a while to try it, but I'm happy that I did, and I would definitely recommend it. Okay, so the third one is the Korat Pore Blurring Gel Moisturizer. So, and I also want to say, Quarterly gifted me the Vino Pure set, and Korat also gifted me this one. So I'm gonna let you guys know how I got each of the products. But I really love this. This was like a standout product for me. I got a mask from them, as well as a cleanser and this moisturizer. And this was the standout product for me. The texture of this, so it is a gel moisturizer, but it kind of looks like a cream, and you know, it looks like that. And this also gives like a cooling effect on your skin. It does have a nice fragrance. I really like fragrance in my skincare. I love the sensorial aspects of it. I know that fragrance can be sensitizing. You know, go at your own risk. If you don't use fragrance, good for you. I use fragrance, okay? So don't come for me. Do not come for me. Anyway, this is a very similar to the Daily Greens, and it retails for $36 for 1.35 ounces. This one also has salicylic acid in it, so really good for oily skin, helping you to combat that acne. I believe it also has hyaluronic acid in it, and you know hyaluronic acid is that hydrator, that moisturizing and nourishing ingredient that we all love. That was like a buzz ingredient for the past couple years. This moisturizer just plumps up your skin. It makes your skin look so good, feel so good, and does not contribute to making you look oily throughout the day. Okay, number 4, the Belief the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So I got this in friend mail from my friend Manushka of Lit Face Glow on Instagram. Definitely check her out if you're on Instagram. But this one is also, is it gel? This is a cream, but it kind of feels like a gel. It is thick. Okay, I would recommend this more for the winter time, to be honest. I haven't really tried it out in the summer, but I love the way it feels, and I like how it goes along with the other products. So I got it in a set. I got the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser, the Moisturizing Eye Balm, and the Belief Witch Hazel Herbal Extract Toner. And as a set, I really like these. So I'm gonna link it down below if they still have this set available, because I feel like it's a good starter for someone who has oily skin and is trying to balance their skin. So a while ago, I would be trying to mattify, you know, and I feel like I was just getting oilier and oilier. So now I'm more about the balance and embracing my oily skin. I don't want to hide it anymore. So you would even see in some of my oily skin approved videos, I'm more about the hydrated, dewy look. And I feel like I also get this way more in the winter. So these products are like for all year round, except the Belief True Cream. I haven't used this in the summer, so I can't really speak to it, but everything else I've used in the summer. I've used in multiple seasons, and I definitely love them for oily skin. So last but not least, I'm gonna be talking about the Ultra Repair Cream from Frizzy Beauty. So y'all, I've been seeing this a lot on Instagram, and when I think about Ultra Repair Cream, I'm thinking like for dry skin, people who have eczema. You know, I am at the other end of the spectrum, so I never really tried it. And this one retails for $36 for 6 ounces. So the value that you get in this container is like amazing. Now, I was freaking blown away by this. It is so lightweight. It is fragrance free, and it's also allergy tested. This is the one product out of all of them that is fragrance free. So if you have oily skin, I would definitely recommend you trying this. You could try it in the daytime and in the nighttime to see which one you like better. I use it in the day and the night. I was so surprised at how lightweight it is. It's like a really thick, you can't see it. It's a thick cream, y'all, but I don't know. It just like goes on so nicely. Doesn't leave like a shine on your face at all. I don't know. Fuzzy Beauty did something with this one for sure. This is another one that I use when my skin is feeling kind of sensitive. You know, I don't want to use anything that is irritating to my skin. This is what I would use. You know, let's say you're having a breakout, or whenever your skin is feeling itchy or dry. I mean, even when your skin is not feeling that way, this one has actually blown me away. I didn't think that I would be able to use a product like this, but I would say definitely give it a try. It is marketed to people who have dry skin, but I don't have dry skin, and I have been loving it. It is so lightweight. Like, I'm blown away. Fragrance free. It's moisturizing. It doesn't leave you greasy like you see. And you know, as the day goes on, your oils are at bay, your skin is looking really fresh, really like rejuvenated. So yeah, I am like blown away at this ultra repair cream, the intense hydration one. And of course, I'm gonna link everything down below. If there are still gift sets for some of these, or travel sets or trial sets, I will also link them. Because for me, I'm taking a different approach to skincare this year. I really want to show you guys routines with products from the same line, and I also want to bring to you more affordable options. So I actually have a paid collaboration coming up with Neutrogena on my Instagram, which I'm very excited about, because I feel like 2019, 2020, I've been talking about a lot of expensive things. And you know, luxury is nice. Sometimes you pay for what you get and sometimes you don't. And I feel like I want to bring products at all price points that are effective and, you know, quality. So I have that post coming up on my Instagram with Neutrogena for their stubborn acne AM treatment, along with the PM version of this that has retinol in it. My very first time using a retinol serum. So I hope that this was helpful. I hope that I gave you some recommendations of things to try. A lot of them have trial sizes, because I'm all about that. Like, especially for moisturizer. Moisturizer is what I would spend the most for in my routine. Let me know if you're gonna try out one that I recommended. Also, if you have oily skin, drop your favorite moisturizer down below so that we can learn. Maybe we could try out some of your faves as well. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Little Beat on Instagram and The Beat Inc. on Facebook. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and have a great night. Bye.